Hello folks, welcome back. In this video you'll see us make poutine. A simple, easy meal. It'll be educational. And you already know it, but we're gonna make some poutine. For those of you that don't know how to make poutine. We got our fries, that's the fries we're using. There's many kinds of fries you could use. We're using this one. We're not sponsored by it. We're just using it. Look at this, folks. There's our fries going in. We got it set at 400. And over here it's on the top from the bottom. So there we go. See? That's the start of it. We're gonna make some poutine with gravy. Okay folks, it's been 10 minutes at the heat. We're gonna turn it after 10 minutes in the oven at 400 degrees. Gotta keep, the key is to keep turning it so at the bottom don't burn. Okay, we'll put it back in and put it for another 10 minutes and turn it again. Okay folks, 20 minutes now. Well, another 10 minutes. So 20 minutes, we'll turn it again. So it don't burn the bottom. It cooks evenly. Always watch your hand when you're cooking in your hot ovens. Okay. Okay folks, another 10 minutes. So and it's 30 minutes now so far. Turn it again at another 10 minutes. Yeah, the fries has been in the oven for 30 minutes so far. It's getting there. It's still a little soft. Yeah. Oh, try not to ruin the fries. All right, we'll wait for another 10 minutes. Okay, folks. 40 minutes. Our fries are done. Should be good. 40 to 45 minutes. Yeah, there it's good. 40 minutes, turn it every 10 minutes. All right, the fries are done. Now we get to work. We'll work on the gravy and the mozzarella cheese, and there's the gravy we're using. And we're not sponsored by any of these products that we're using. Okay, we'll get started on the gravy. Hello folks, we got our pot on. We'll turn it to max. And we're gonna put water in there, cold water. 2.5 cups, and put in your gravy. We'll open that better. 2.5 cups of cold water. And we got our gravy in, then we'll whisk it. You keep whisking till it boils, till it gets thick. Okay folks, 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, there's our gravy. We put 2.5 cups, and we whisked it. Kept whisking it till it was done. We never stopped. Okay, there's our gravy. Okay, folks, we'll make our poutine. We'll put our fries on. There's our fries. Now we're gonna use some shredded mozzarella. No name. Okay, we'll put a handful of that on. Handful. to your liking. Then we'll put some gravy on it. When you put the gravy on it, it'll melt the cheese. Oh, looks so delicious. There's our poutine, folks. Right there it is, folks. Let's try it. Mmm. Oh, it's so good. Delicious. Mmm. There it is, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and hit the notification button. Thank you so much. Bye for now.